Hi everyone, are you looking for a multi-vendor food delivery application like Zomato and Swiggy? Then this is our latest application created for our client from China. It's a complete multi-vendor food delivery application. You can see all the different banners like this. A customer can choose products and restaurants by category also. The customer can see all his nearby restaurants like this. So let's click on a restaurant and let's understand how you can make a order. So now click on this plus button. You can add product to cart and you can also add add-ons like this. Now add to cart product and now go ahead and proceed to checkout. And now you can see all your products added and now proceed to checkout, and now you can also select that you want the order to be delivered or takeaway. You can also enter your delivery location like this. The application will automatically take your live location by using the Google map, so it's very easy to use. A customer can then order by cash on delivery and online payment. So let's make a order by cash on delivery and click on confirm order, and yeah, that's how you place a order in this application. And now the customer can track his order easily and the store will receive this order and complete this order. If you are looking for application like this, you can directly connect with us. The details are showing on the screen, and you can also visit raunix.com for more details, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.